Insulin is a peptide hormone produced by the beta cell of the pancreas, which is the islet of Langerhans. In the human body, there is an organ that is called the pancreas, and inside the pancreas is a beta cell of islet of Langerhans that produces its insulin. When a carbohydrate is taken in excess, the body organ, which is the pancreas, secretes this insulin to regulate it by storing excess of the carbohydrates in the liver and the muscle, so that there won't be too much blood sugar, which is not good for human body, which can cause diabetes. Sources of insulin. We have two sources of insulin: the human insulin, which produced by recombinant DNA technology, which is most common today, whereby a human pancreas gene is extracted from the human and injected into a bacteria for production of insulin. And then the one that is being extracted from animals such as pig and cow, and it is not really being used these days. So the one that is being used now is human insulin. Another thing to note is the mechanism of action. So how does this insulin act? There is an insulin receptor in the human cell membrane. We know that insulin, when it's excess, is even stored in the liver as glucogen. So this insulin receptor binds to this insulin and activates the transport of glucose. How does it do? It promotes the uptake of this glucose into the muscles and the liver cells and the fat cell, and then promotes its synthesis into glycogen, which is the stored form of this glucose, to enable them to stop the excess of these carbohydrates of this blood sugar in the bloodstream. So it stores it as glucogen. Indication and uses of insulin. It is used for type 1 diabetes, where the body there's insufficient insulin due to autoimmune, where the body attacks the pancreas secreting cell. And then the type 2, where it's not controlled by drugs, is this type 2 diabetic mellitus, which whereby the insulin is not effectively utilized in the body. Then diabetic ketoacidosis. This is conditions where insulin is urgently used. So, routes of administration. How do we administer this insulin? We have the subcutaneous injection, which is commonly used. We have the pen, the device, the syringes, and the pumps. Then intravenous. This intravenous route is used mostly in emergency, such as in ketoacidosis and in hyperosmolar